In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly navigate Microsoft Teams for your online meetings, ensuring you're well prepared and confident before joining any virtual gathering. Let's dive right in and explore the steps to make sure you're all set for your next meeting. First things first, we need to access Microsoft Teams. You'll want to open up your web browser and head over to the official Microsoft Teams website, or simply launch the app if you already have it installed on your device. This is your main hub for all things related to Teams, and you'll find everything you need right here, from chat features to calendar invites, and of course, your meeting links. Now, before you join any meeting, it's a great idea to do a quick tech check. Microsoft Teams offers a very handy feature that allows you to enter a virtual lobby instead of jumping straight into the meeting itself. When you're ready to attend a session, click on the Join button associated with the meeting. Instead of entering the meeting immediately, you'll find yourself in a pre-meeting screen. This lobby area is all about making sure your tech is working perfectly before the event begins. Once you're in this pre-meeting lobby, take a moment to test your devices. Here's where you can check your microphone to make sure your voice can be heard loud and clear. You can also test your camera to ensure everything's in view and your background isn't too distracting. Teams also offers options to blur your background or replace it entirely with different virtual settings if that's something you're interested in. This is an excellent feature for maintaining privacy or simply ensuring a tidy visual behind you. During this pre-check, be sure that your internet connection is stable. This is crucial, as a strong connection will help ensure that your meeting experience is smooth and uninterrupted. If there are any issues with the audio or visual elements, now is the perfect time to sort them out. You wouldn't want any technical hitches once the meeting has begun, as they can be quite disruptive. Once you've finished testing everything to your satisfaction, simply click the appropriate button to join the meeting, and voila, you're now ready to participate actively in the discussion. By taking these few preparatory steps before joining a meeting, you're setting yourself up for success and ensuring that you can focus more on engagement rather than troubleshooting. And that's how you get ready for a meeting on Microsoft Teams. Quick, easy, and efficient. Remember, a little preparation goes a long way in keeping things running smoothly in any virtual environment. Thanks for watching, and happy meetings.